We are live. So, good morning from my side, and hello to everyone, wherever part of the world you are watching right now. But before I go on, let me introduce myself first. My name is Carmi from the Philippines, and I am a mother of three boys, a former OFW, and a full-time employee. I am again very lucky today dahil pinagbigyan ako ng aking special guest. This will be my episode 6 of my live session with a fellow digital business owner entitled Real Business of Real People Doing, no, Real People, Real Stories of Real People Doing Real Business. Ayun po yung aking title sa aking live video. So let me introduce my guest for today. She migrated to Canada under Live-In Caregiver Program and originally from Ilocos Norte, now living in Ontario, Canada. So ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome a proud fellow digital business owner, Sis Nemelin Dolol. Hello, sis! Wala kang sound, sis. Nakaano ka ata.
Sorry. Hello, sis. Good morning.
Good morning. So, sis, how are you today? And what time in Canada?
I'm good. Thank you, sis. It's 10:14 p.m., sis.
Oh, yeah. Thank you for accepting my invitation to be my guest tonight.
Thank you, then, sis, for inviting me here.
Yeah. So, sis, this will be done in your everything. If you want to speak on your own language, like Tagalog, Taglish, or our own language, Ilocano, feel free to do that. Okay. So, please greet our online audience and introduce a bit of yourself.
Okay, sis. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Nemeline here, coming to you live from Ontario, Canada. I'm originally from the Philippines. I was born and raised in Batac, Ilocos Norte. Ilocano po ako. Uh, we are a family of 6. I have one sister and 2 brothers, along with 4 adorable nephews and nieces. I came to Canada 16 years ago under Live-In Caregiver Program. So I'm a caregiver and a proud digital business owner.
Yeah, same here, proud digital business owner. Yes. So, sis, before we go on our topic, what is the weather there in Canada? Is it hot? Tag-ulan ba? Bagyo? Kasi dito sa Manila, recently, we just have this typhoon Karina. So medyo hindi pa masyadong maganda ang dito weather. So how about Canada? Tag-ulan ba? Winter?
It's summertime, sis. Mainit ang panahon ngayon. Kaya
Ay!
we're just enjoying the weather. Kasi
Oo, kasi 'di
here
ba?
is yeah.
Kasi 'di ba pag malamig, sobrang lamig.
Oo, sis. Tsaka mahaba yung
Oh,
winter.
yeah, that's nice. So sis, let's go on. I have a question for you for our online business that we are doing right now. Kasi 'di ba dahil tayo ay our business is purely digital online business. So my question to you is when you are first starting your own online business, what are the challenges you have encountered? Ano yung mga challenges mo? Are you curious of the business like that? Mga challenges.
When I started this business, I was working full-time and some part-time jobs. Kaya ang isa sa mga challenges na-encounter ko is yung time kasi I was working long hours. Tapos may part-time pa ako so I can only do the business on the side. Kapag nasa trabaho ko, break time, ginagawa ko siya. Tapos sa gabi, there are times na umaabot ako ng 2 to 3 a.m. na ginagawa ko yung business. Kahit na pagod ako, I had to do it because I want to be successful in this business. Yung mga trainings, kailangan kong gawin to learn about the business, how to run the business successfully. Tapos, I'm not I'm not I'm not a tech savvy. Hindi ako masyadong maano sa technology updated kasi since nag-work ako as a caregiver, nag-stop na rin ako matuto tungkol sa mga computers kasi hindi ko naman kailangan sa trabaho kaya nag-stop ako. Tapos nung nag-business ako, hindi ko alam kung ano yung Facebook link. Hindi ko alam kung paano gawin kasi meron akong Facebook pero ang ginagawa ko lang is ginagamit ko lang siya is for communication for my family and friends. Hindi ako masyadong nagpo-post about sa mga nangyayari sa buhay ko. I just use it for personal to communicate with them. And kaya yun, wala akong alam sa pati pagpo-post, hindi ako masyadong marunong doon. Kaya I had to learn how to post and what to post. Tapos yung mga copy-paste, hindi rin ako marunong noon. Pero I learned kasi gusto kong matuto. I enjoy learning new things. Tapos, yun, yung sa computer, sa mga technology, yung mga challenges ko. Tsaka, wala rin akong kakilala noon sa business dahil new ako. Pero, dahil nga gusto ko itong business na to, nag-reach out ako sa iba pag meron akong hindi alam sa training site kasi hindi ko naman alam lahat ng nandoon kahit na it's online. Hindi ko naman alam kung paano gawin kaya I reach out to people na alam kong makakatulong sa akin. Kahit strangers sila, naglakas loob ako makipag-communicate sa kanila. And because of that, I gained good friends.
Yeah, that's true, sis. Relate ako sa'yo. Kasi, ako din ngayon full-time sa trabaho. So, especially panggabi pa ako. So, struggle ako sa pag-raran nga itong business na to. So, since I'm on a night shift, so pag uwi ko sa umaga, I have to, asikasuhin ko muna yung aking mga anak, papasok sa school, then only then I have the time, yung 2 hours, 3 hours, kahit yung alam mong nakakatulugan mo na yung cellphone para mag-post ng mga advertisement natin about our online business. So that's true, na struggle talaga. And it's a challenge talaga being a full-time employee and you wanted, but sabi nga nila, if you want to succeed in your business, kailangan gawin mo yung lahat para maging successful yung online business, di ba sis? At saka, for our family, di ba? Yes. So, relate ako sa you, sis. My next question to you is, what are your biggest whys? If, for example, your families, are they supportive enough of you doing this digital business?
Yes, sis. My biggest why is myself and my family. And I'm doing this business to improve our lifestyle. Gusto kong mabigyan ng komportableng buhay ang aking pamilya. Kaya nagsumikap ako na matuto dito sa business na to make it work. Very supportive naman sila. Wala nung malaman nila na nagbi-business ako, binibigyan ako ng moral support. Lagi sila nagpe-pray sa akin at nagpo-push. Lalo na yung kapatid ko. Tuwing may mga, hindi kasi ako maano sa pagla-live. Pero nagpo-push siya sa akin, you're doing better and better every time, sabi niya. Just keep going. Yun ang lagi niyang sinasabi. Tapos, sige lang, kaya mo yan. Yun, very supportive naman sila. Tsaka pag sinabi kong, gagawa ako ng business ngayon, hindi nila ako ginugulo. Time.
That's good to know, sis. Even me, yung mga anak ko, actually, ang very supportive sa akin yung bunso ko. Sabi niya, no, mommy, you have to learn the process. I mean, what do you call this? Sabi niya, trust the process. Yun yung kanyang motto sa akin. You trust the process, huwag magmadali, kaya mo yan. Though, sabi niya, ikaw yung epitome nga daw. Ako nga daw nung epitome of hardworking na tao kasi papasok sa trabaho, aasikasuhin sila, and then 2-3 hours, 4 hours dito sa online business. So they are, the most supportive sa kanilang tatlo is yung bunso ko talaga. So relate ako sa'yo, sis. So my next question to you, sis, is what do you like most about our digital business? Is it easy to manage considering that everything is done online?
Marami akong gusto sa ating business, pero isa lang ang sasabihin ko ngayon. It's our community. Very supportive sila. Every time na may kailangan ko ako about the business, pwede ako mag-reach out kahit sino at lahat ng mga taong ni-reach out ko. Very helpful sila, nag-share sila. At saka kahit anong oras, like now, evening here, pag may gising sa ibang lugar, doon ako nagre-reach out and they're very supportive. Tapos may mga mastermind tayo. Kahit nasa ibang group, kasi may mga subgroup tayo, ini-invite nila ako sa mga mastermind nila, nag-share sila. At saka marami tayong mga groups na para sa, hindi lang for business, kundi for the personal growth din. Kasi we are growing in personally and in business. Tapos, yun, very supportive ang community natin.
Yes, that's true. We have a viewer, Sis Hemelin. She is Sis Hemelin from Saudi Arabia. Katim ko siya dun sa group natin for the one. So, she is watching live in Saudi Arabia. Sabi niya, bunso rin daw niya yung very supportive sa kanyang online business. Hi, Sis Hemelin. Thanks for watching. So sis, I have my fourth question to you. Can you share us your favorite quote that inspires you while doing this digital business? Ano yung favorite quote mo? You keep on doing your business. Baka ma-inspire din kami in case.
My favorite is from Ron Jim. It says, success is something you attract by the person you become. So, kung gusto mong maging successful, dapat i-improve mo muna ang iyong sarili. And I would like to add to the other questions is about the online. Is it easier? Yes, it is easier doing the business online kasi hindi mo na kailangang i-meet yung mentor mo o sa yung mga taong gusto mong mahingan ng tulong kasi kailangan meron namang online na mimit nyo sila online, pwedeng mag-chat or phone call, ganon. Messenger call, video call. Kaya, it is easier, sis, doing the business online. Kasi wala nang mga kailangan mong i-meet somewhere.
That's true, sis. Because, our online business is also flexible, di ba? Anytime, anywhere, as long as meron kang gadget, pwede mo siyang gawin. Yun yung isa sa nagustuhan ko din dito sa online business na to. Kasi flexible siya. Kung hindi mo siya magawa sa umaga, you can do it in the afternoon, after lunch, or while doing your lunch, after your lunch break. O kaya sa akin, kapag nasa trabaho ako during my break time, pwede ko siyang gawin. So flexibility is the key, di ba, dito sa online business natin. At saka, you know what? When I started doing this online business, I met lots of people na hindi ko kakilala, na dito lang nakilala, like you, like other online business na nakikilala ko siya, and then eventually naging kaibigan kasi they were fellow Filipinos na working abroad as OFWs, earning extra money or to support their families here in the Philippines. So, siyempre kailangan natin ng additional side hustle. Di ba sabi nila, dapat kailangan daw natin ng multiple income streams like passive income para for our future, like if you want to retire early, kailangan ng retirement, savings. Kasi syempre, hindi naman tayo bumabata. Soon, mapupunta tayo na tatanda. So we need enough cash for ourselves, for our family. Kasi 'di ba sabi nila, it's hindi naman daw pwede na yung anak mo ang magiging sasalo sa iyo pagtanda mo because they have their own life naman daw, 'di ba?
Yes.
So, this business is really good for everyone, any gender, any nationality, anong edad ka man, as long as you wanted to have and start your own digital business, 'di ba sis? Sabi
Sis.
nga. Yeah. So my next question to you sis is that ano yung last message mo sa amin that would inspire us? Kasi I know you are now 4A sis. You are now 4A. Yay! Congratulations! So, ano po yung mapapayo mo sa amin, especially gaya ko, I'm just starting become full-time on this online business. Ngayon lang ako nagpo-full-time. So, ano yung mapapayo mo sa amin for us to become successful as well?
Uh, ang mapapayo ko lang is to become successful, you have to be willing to do what needs to be done para kasi kailangan din i-work out itong business na to. It's not a get rich quick scheme. So kailangan kailangan ng mag-work ka din sa business na to. Kailangan mong matutunan lahat ng dapat matutunan because we are using technology and it is always updated, up to date. So kailangan matutunan lahat ng yon, and you have to be patient when learning because in our business it's a continuous learning.
Yes, that's true, sis. Kailangan mong matuto lahat ng mga natin dito. Ang dami nating mga guides and step by step na kailangang matutunan kasi syempre our community is very supportive sa atin and our system is automated, 90% automated. So it's only up to us now to do our part para maging successful, di ba sis, sa ating online business. So, sis, thank you so much for accepting my invitation. Any last message, sis? Anything on your language or sa Tagalog?
Okay. Sa lahat ng gustong sumubok na mag-business online, you can join us live. Meron kaming free webinar live every Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Just Google your time zone as it is global. Pwede rin manood ng live or replay. So, mag-register lang kayo ng yung name and valid email address sa kahit na anong website na makita nyo on your screen so that you can receive your personal link to the webinar. At pag may mga questions kayo, pwede kayong mag-reach out sa amin. We are here to help and guide you.
So thank you very much, sis. Yes, to our audience from any part of the world, like USA, Canada, Australia, Europe, Middle East. If you have any question, just like what Sis Nemeline was telling us a while ago, you can simply send us a message, any one of us, and we'll be happy to assist you and give you more information about how our digital business is working for us. And if you are curious of what we do and how we earn online, simply send us a message. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. This has been a very enjoyable and interesting conversation, sweet, simple and sweet with my fellow digital business owner, Sis Nemeline. Thank you so much, sis. And to each and every one of you, good morning again or good evening from your side, wherever part of the world. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching my live video. Till next, see you again next time. Bye, everyone.